guys, Tana Rose here, and welcome to a brand new series on my channel where we dive deep into the fascinating world of animals and nature. As an artist that is very deeply connected to the wonders of this planet, I am so excited to share my passion with all of you. And today, we're going to be kicking things off with the list of the top 10 smartest animals. But of course, before I begin, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends. Now let's get started. Number 10, pigeons. You know what sucks is that I also heard that we domesticated pigeons and then we kind of just abandoned them.
I'm sorry, I didn't know.
My ancestors suck. And I think maybe because we domesticated them, it might lead to why they're so intelligent. Now, they have excellent memory and navigation skills, and this has been used in a ton of scientific studies. Apparently, pigeons can also recognize and remember hundreds of images, shapes, and colors. Pigeons can also be trained to perform very complex tasks. Apparently, they're able to identify cancer cells, as well as distinguish different painting styles from different artists. Okay, I'm impressed. I kind of want a pigeon now. Don't worry, little friend. I will save you from abandonment. Come with me. Let's go. Okay, here we go. All right, now number 9 on the list. I'm not surprised, but it's rats. I mean, no wonder they're used for research all the time. Now, apparently rats have a lot of problem-solving abilities as well as adaptability to various environments. They've got excellent memory and spatial awareness. I'm pretty sure everyone's seen the videos of rats navigating, all these mazes super easily. And apparently they're highly social animals, so they show a lot of empathy, especially towards one of their own kind that is hurt or in distress and needs help. Like, I'm pretty sure everyone has seen that one TikTok video where someone got cars for the rats, but like the rats controlled the cars. And they actually have better driving skills than I do. Now, I would say I would love to get a rat, but I'd probably scream if I held one. No! All right, guys, number 8 on the list is the bonobos. Why is it so funny looking? Okay, maybe I need a different picture. No, they're still pretty funny looking. As you can see, the bonobos is very highly related to the chimpanzee. They are also incredibly intelligent primates. They have exhibited very advanced social behaviors such as cooperation and empathy, and they also even tend to resolve conflicts. Now, there have been other social experiments with bonobos where they have to complete or perform a task in order to get a treat. However, something that I also read that's very fascinating about them is during that same experiment, when it was just that bonobos ape present and then there's no other apes around, they were less likely to complete or perform the task. Let's get to the next one though. All right, guys, number 7 is the octopus. What's so surprising to me is how this octopus is nothing but like a jelly-like thing, and yet it has complex problem-solving skills and remarkable cognitive abilities. Like, some of them even use tools. I don't know if anyone's even seen that video of like an octopus opening a jar to get a treat that was inside, and this jar took a handful of turns. It's not one of those.
Oh no, I broke it!
Now, this is even crazier, is some species are known to carry a very deadly jellyfish known as the Portuguese man of war as a weapon. There's just so many visuals going off in my head as I think about that. Like, what?
You're fucking paranoid, you are fucking, you bloody.
That's a lot of squishy. But also, some even carry coconut shells to use as like little shelters and very decorative hats. Yes, I am quaint. All right, guys, number 6 on this list is the African gray parrot. Now, as you know, they are renowned for their vocal mimicry.
I think we got it. I think we got it, Paula.
They're able to learn words and phrases and then use those words and phrases to communicate. And not only just to use that to communicate with humans, to communicate with other parrots. So apparently, in one experiment, Griffin, an African gray parrot, you know, that's really funny because my cat's name is Gryffindor. But anyway, he was a test subject, and he was able to outperform 5-year-olds.
We're hiding the nuts. All right, Griff, you ready? We're gonna cover them. They're all hidden. Are you ready, Griff? You gonna pay attention? Look, empty. You see? It's empty. All right, Griff. Go boy.
Good parrot.
What a go birdie.
5-year-olds. Screw the show, Are You Smarter Than a 5th Grader? Let's just do Are You Smarter Than a Freaking Parrot? I probably wouldn't be. All right, guys, number 5 on the list is elephants. Freaking love elephants. They're very intelligent mammals with a really good memory, as well as very complex social structures. They possess self-awareness. Like, some elephants have been able to look at themselves in the mirror and recognize themselves. And in a lot of occasions, some elephants have been seen to manipulate their surroundings just to achieve a certain goal. So, for example, there was an elephant in a zoo named Kandula. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. But apparently, in order to reach a certain fruit on the tree, he moved a stool-like block, so he could get on it. I want a baby elephant. Now, number 4 on the list is the chimpanzee. I mean, of course, they're our closest living relatives, and they share about 98% of our DNA. Wow, Planet of the Apes is like so much more relatable than I thought it was. Now, they exhibit a lot of problem-solving skills. They've also used tools to solve their problems. Now, chimpanzees have complex social structures, and they have been seen to engage in a lot of cooperative tasks such as hunting, grooming, sharing food, etc. Now, chimps, just like elephants, can also recognize themselves in mirrors. And you know what's even crazier is they could recognize themselves in a video of them, which is something that 4-year-olds are barely even able to do. All right, guys, let's go on to the next one. Number 3 on the list is pigs. Apparently, they're very intelligent animals with problem-solving abilities and emotional intelligence. So pigs apparently have been trained to do a lot of various tasks, such as finding hidden objects and navigating through mazes. And apparently they're so smart, get this, they can play video games. I'm not joking. So at Purdue University Center for Animal Welfare Research, that is a long name, they trained 4 pigs to play a video game by having them manipulate a joystick with their noses.
And if they do that correctly, they hear a sound, and then they get a reward that dispenses for them.
That reward, a sweet treat. And over the course of about 2 years, the results were surprisingly sweet too.
All the pigs performed above chance level of success.
That's so cool! Okay, number 2 on the list is ravens. I'm not surprised at this one. Now, ravens are known to be very highly intelligent birds for their problem-solving abilities. They've been seen using tools in the wild. Ravens have been using sticks to get food out of certain crevices. And apparently ravens have better planning skills than toddlers. So one study revealed that a raven could identify a special key in an arrangement of different keys to open a special box that had a treat in it. No wonder that they're used as every sidekick in an evil movie. Come, my evil little bird, the hour is upon us. As they said, it's better to be feared than loved. I'd be the worst villain ever, but at least I'd look cool with my little bird. All right, you guys, now drum roll for number 1. It's the dolphin. And I'm pretty sure that they are regarded as the smartest animal on the planet besides humans. They have very advanced cognitive abilities and social behaviors. And they also work together in coordinated groups to complete and perform various tasks. Another fact that I thought was really cool is that dolphins use mud to create traps. They also use sponges to hide in coral as well as search for new food. And apparently, dolphins are also able to alter their timing and location when it comes to hunting to adapt to human activities. So, for example, they'll avoid construction going on underwater. Maybe I can get some tips from SpongeBob and Patrick to see how I can talk to dolphins.
He said.
And there you guys have it. That is the top 10 smartest animals. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this journey through the animal kingdom as much as I did. Now, if you guys want to see more content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends. And of course, don't forget to follow me on social media for a lot of behind the scenes and updates to upcoming projects. Well, until next time, bye you guys.